You know what the problem with modern corporates is? There are a lot of brilliant people like you who go unrecognized. Because as young children, we've been taught to people please, that we should never question authority, that we should always be humble in front of other people, that we should always downplay our achievements. We are not taught how to be authentically visible, how to talk to others assertively and with respect, which is a sad thing because it keeps your potential locked inside a cage. If you could only learn how to speak assertively and respectfully, how to gain visibility the right way, authentically, that is true to your nature, that builds relationships, that helps your career grow. Imagine what is possible for you, your potential, for your family, your dreams, the money that you want to make, the lifestyle that you want to have, the work-life balance, the joy, the satisfaction that you want to have. Think of it differently. You don't need to stick to the old standards. If you want to elevate your standards and learn new skills, follow me here.